Welcome to Data Analytics with Swaroop. If you are curious about data, dashboards, and making powerful visuals, you are in the right place. In today's video, we would be talking about Power BI, what is it, how it works, and why so many companies use it every day. Okay, so first things first, what is Power BI? So basically, Power BI is a business analytics tool developed by Microsoft. It helps you connect to your data, clean it, analyze it, and create beautiful dashboards and interactive reports. Think of Power BI as Excel on steroids, but way more powerful when it comes to visualizations, automation, and real time analytics. Okay, so what you can do with Power BI is you can import data from Excel, SQL, SharePoint, web, and many other sources and clean that data into a meaningful way using Power Query Editor. Once that's done, you can build relationships between tables, create stunning charts, graphs, and KPIs, and you can set up schedule refresh and publish reports to the Power BI service. And finally, you can share and collaborate these reports across your organization. Okay, so who uses Power BI? There are many industries using Power BI nowadays to perform their key metrics, and these are some of the areas where Power BI is used. Okay, so data analysts use Power BI. They blend data from different sources and perform detailed analysis and get some insights out of it, which will make users take quick decisions. Operations teams analyze performance. Even HR, education, healthcare professionals use Power BI to make data driven decisions. Basically, if you work with data, Power BI can help you make sense of it. Okay. So if you get into the components of Power BI, why I'm mentioning the components of Power BI is because Power BI is not just one tool, it's an ecosystem. If we break that Power BI ecosystem into some pieces, we'll get these components. Okay, so Power BI desktop, this is heart of Power BI, where you'll have a local instance and you'll be doing all your development in that Power BI desktop itself. Okay, and Power Query Editor, this is especially used for ETL operations. When I say ETL, extract, transform, and load. You can extract the data from anywhere. You can transform that into a meaningful way from at most the TS form of data and load that into Power BI desktop again to make visualizations. Okay, Power BI service. You're done with all your visualizations and your report is ready to share with the users. So, what's the platform to share these reports? Is Power BI service. So, this is a cloud version where you'll have some workspace dedicated to your project and you'll be publishing your reports into a specific workspace and share with the users. Okay, Power BI report server. Power BI report server is again you know sharing and collaborating platform just like service, but Power BI service is a cloud version, but Power BI report server is an on-premises instance. Just like Power BI desktop, you just have to install it in your local, and you'll share reports into Power BI report server instead of Power BI service in case if your client's data is confidential and if they don't want to publish their reports into the cloud version, we can go ahead with Power BI report server. Okay, so these are all the basic components of Power BI. I think You have got an overall idea of what is Power BI, who uses it, and what are its basic components. Okay, as you can see on my screen, uh, this is how a report or dashboard looks like with some simple visuals. Like we have cards here and some bars here, clustered column chart, and 100% stacked column chart, pie chart, donut chart, tabular visual, and slices. This is how a dashboard looks like when you uh, create different visuals for your data. Okay, so imagine you have an Excel file which is having almost 20,000 records. Okay, so if you have that huge data, it would be difficult for you to get some insights out of it, because that's not uh, that won't have good readability. That's where the scope of Power BI comes in. By just creating these visuals, you can just get quick insights just by looking at it, right? So that's the importance of Power BI in converting raw data into a meaningful visual. So this is the overview of Power BI, and in the next video we'll get to know how to install it, and we'll also have a quick tour into the tool. Stay tuned till then. Thanks for watching.